Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and a backup so the update won't strand you. Make sure your battery is at least 50% or keep the charger connected. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Once backed up to Google Drive or a local copy, open Settings and navigate to System Update to check for Android 13. Tap Download when available. While it fetches, the phone verifies files. This reduces the chance of corruption and speeds installation once the package is ready. You'll now move into the installation phase where patience matters. After the download completes, review the release notes so you know about permissions or major UI changes. This helps avoid surprises. Tap Install and the device will reboot into the installer. Do not interrupt it. The process may take several minutes as system partitions update and optimize apps. Once it boots back up, go to Settings About Phone to confirm the new Android 13 build and open your key apps to ensure you finish by adjusting settings and checking stability. This ensures a smooth post-update experience. Grant or review app permissions under Privacy because Android 13 tightens background access and media controls. Changing these prevents unexpected behavior. If you notice crashes or battery regressions, clear the cache partition or reboot twice to let the system reoptimize apps. If the update fails, try again in safe mode or, as a last resort, sideload the official OTA image using the manufacturer's recovery tools. That recovers corrupted installs and restores a stable system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.